Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. So I'm going at 2.5 times the speed here. And my kitten's kind of looking like a snowman to start with, hey? Just get those shapes and angles in for legs and cute little paws. I don't know if you can hear my cat in the background, but she's squawking. Had to change the position of that arm there. Better get rid of that. We'll start again. Just trying to keep unified lines throughout. Make sure everything flows together well. And now I'll start to darken up the lines I like. And keeping that nice rhythm and flow in mind as I work. Making sure everything flows together well. And that the eye is led to the important parts. Viewer's eye, that is. Get a better angle when I turn it a bit. The eyes really help bring the kitty to life, don't they? And I like that smirk. And you can do or do without that too. You know, changing the mouth lines really changes the expression. So it's fun to just play with that and see what kind of expressions you can get. Just a suggestion of hair inside the ears and a suggestion of toes. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Let me know what you want to learn about cat drawing, or tell me about yourself, or your cat, or whatever. It's a little bit faster now. I got it going 4 times the speed now. Just strengthening up some of the lines more than others, and differing the thicknesses of the lines, you know, some thinner, some thicker. It really goes a long way towards interest within the drawing. I'm just giving Kitty a suggestion of markings. It's really more about the character and soul than me, than the markings. Just adding bits here and there, wiggle lines and such. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time.